Good day guys. If you want to use machine learning models inside Uipath, you need to enable AI Center first, and here's exactly how to activate it. So firstly, something you need to know is that AI Center is only available on specific Uipath plans, like Enterprise or Automation Cloud with the AI add-ons. And here I can go Platform and Pricing, and these are going to be the plans, guys, that you can use that will have this AI feature available. So the one that is the cheapest one is starting at $25 a month, and it's called Basic. And if you wish Standard or Enterprise, as you can see, you will have to contact sales to get the pricing for these specific plans. But in general, when you get the subscription, how do we actually activate it? So for that, you need to go to this button right over here, which is called what? It's Product Launcher. And in here, you need to navigate to the admin panel. This is where we can activate it. And as you see, we have the different settings in here. So in my case, tester, this is just my admin name. And in here, as you can see, I don't have anything related to the AI Center. So as you can see, we need a license first. As you can see, mine is just a free plan. And after that, you will get AI Center as a function in here that you can just go ahead and activate and also start using it. So you just add the service and then just use your AI features. And also assign AI Center roles like ML user or ML admin so users can have access. Without proper roles, the feature won't appear in the dashboard. And that's pretty much how you enable the AI Center, so you can deploy and manage machine learning models inside your automation workflows. Enjoy, my friends. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.